How to enable or disable auto-download media in Telegram when roaming. To be continued after break, please keep watching. Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to enable or disable auto-download media when roaming. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. Press on three line which shown on top left. Click on settings. Scroll down till we get data and storage. Click on when roaming. Turn this on if you want media to be automatically downloaded when roaming. Press on auto download media. Here you can control which type of media you can enable or disable, whatever you want while roaming. You can enable or disable. Let's enable video, also files. Now photo video files are enabled. If you want to disable one of them, just press again like photo, press again on photo. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also consider like and share, and if you have any comments, please write to us and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.